Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your business invoices. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create an invoice for your business? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, there's a lot of different ways you can set up free invoices for your business. But today I'm going to show you a free way you can do that with your Canva account. You don't need the premium version. You can use the free Canva. But why would you want to set up an invoice for your business anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes your clients or your customers require an invoice in order to be paid out. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my free Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an invoice for your business, what you're going to do is just click on the search bar and type invoice. Okay, guys, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different templates that you can use for your business invoice. So most of them are free. However, if they have a little crown here on the bottom right, or if they have a dollar sign, then those are going to be a paid option. So if you want to use the free ones, what you're going to do is here on the right, click on see all. And then once you click on see all, you're going to see this filter button here at the top. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down menu on the left, and just scroll down until you see this button here called free, and then you'll apply. And now you can see all of the free invoice templates for your business in Canva. So just scroll through and see which one kind of fits your business profile or maybe your branding. So for me, I kind of like this one right here. So let me click on there. All right. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click here, customize this template. Okay. So here is where you can go ahead and design your invoice. So it looks kind of small right now. So what you can do is you can increase the size down here so that way it's easier to work on. And then all you're going to do is hover over it, and you see these purple boxes. That means that you can go ahead and edit those boxes. So for example, we're going to send this invoice to somebody named, no, we'll go ahead and send this out to Anthony. Or Anthony. Okay. And then how much does that person owe? You can go ahead and click in here. And then maybe we want to go ahead and leave it at US dollars. If you want to change that, you can change that maybe to CAD. And then we'll double click on the numbers. Let's say that Anthony owes $950. Here you can put an invoice number. Okay. And then we can go ahead and adjust the date. So let's see, 24. Okay. And then here you can go ahead and add a description. So you can add a text box. So click on this purple text, and you see the text box right here. So maybe we'll put, YouTube marketing, and then we'll go ahead and move that over. And these little boxes, you can kind of just move them around. Now, if you have a logo, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can add that in. So here on the right, we're going to go ahead and add an amount. So I'll click another text box. All right, I dropped it down here for some reason. So just grab the box, bring it up here, and then we'll put this as 950. Okay, it looks kind of weird. So just kind of line it up. Now, if you made a mistake like this, don't worry, you can click up here and go back. Okay, let me grab this 950. Okay, and then we'll adjust the subtotal down here, and then we'll adjust the total, also 950. And then we can go ahead and change the name of the admin. So Anthony. And then here you can go ahead and update the terms and conditions. Here you can go ahead and list off any kind of payment methods that you're accepting. Now, if you have a logo, what you can do is you can go ahead and click here on upload, and any logos that you might have already had uploaded, you can add it here. If you don't have it here and it's on your computer, just upload the files, and that way it's saved into your Canva, and then you just grab it and drag it right on over. So as you can see, it's kind of blocking. This is a picture. So what you can do is go ahead and just shrink it down, and then you can move it up here to the top right. Okay. So there you'll have your logo. Obviously that's just a picture. Now, if you want it to look a little bit more clean, what you can do is you can click here on elements, and then you can scroll down until you see framed right here. So this is basically going to be a frame, and you can drop your logo inside of it. So this one's kind of cool. It's a circle. So I'll drag that one over here. And once again, it's kind of big. So let me go ahead and shrink it down. All right. It looks like that's about right. Okay. So I'll put it right there, and then we'll do the same thing, upload, and then grab your logo right here, and then just drag it right in, and you drag it right over, and you can see it drops right in that circle. So as you can see, this circle looks a little bit more uniform than this just little square thing. So I'll just click on this, and you can click on the trash can, or you can simply just click on the delete button, and that'll remove it. Okay. So what's going to happen now is this will be saved into your design folder. So you're not going to have to change all of this every single time, but you will have to change the description, which is what you're charging, and then also the invoice too, and then the amounts. So it's kind of a quick and easy way to get up and going for an invoice. And lastly, what I'll do is I'll click right here and then rename this. So let's say business invoice Anthony. Okay. Okay. Last thing you need to do is go ahead and click on share here on the top right. And then you want to click on download, and then you want to choose the file type. So JPG, PNG. Generally for an invoice, you're probably going to want to do a PDF. So I'll choose PDF, and then you just want to download it. Okay. So now it's downloaded. Okay. So here is my invoice. So it's in a PDF format, so I can email that to my customer, or I can go ahead and print it out and then mail it off to them. All right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice for your business for free and quick, that's the easiest way I know how to do it, using your Canva account. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.